Hello, good afternoon. Uh, Business, management and projects, language train extranjero 2 4, teacher Maria Mirna Segura Costa, activity AD9 Padilla 2, name Jazmin Cruz Castillo. Jazmin Christmas. I still remember the smell of food that emanated from my mother's kitchen. I was a night of December 24. The family looked forward to what Christmas night at home. I want my mother expect that all her children, Bella, Noé, Naomi, and Jasmine, to be present at home for us to exchange gifts, have punch, and eat turkey. Very excited. The members of my family were preparing for the wonderful what that was to have. I was customary for the family. We went to church to give thanks for years that already passed. Children get older members of the family to watch together on the barmy makes it more and more special when living in women's we hid at home for dinner. The night passed and the coexistence to better and clarify very happy. So what I was encouraged to say a few words. The tour is what I was big sorry sign. I am not good to speaking in the public both style and did storytelling. I went out from the couch and preparing my speech. I feel I I feel that it's what I got time to express my feeling toward them to the family. First and say afraid word to my mother and thank her for all the support she always give and me and to hear so much and love her. I continue with my father, Mr. Joel, and speak and told him that I was very happy to be his darling and that I was very grateful for the support I give me. I also to the tab I was not going to disappoint their signs. I was about to finish my profession career as the survivor and photographed in injured that I did the shade with each of my brothers. We too ready to have a dinner and still remember with John the flavors and smell of the dinner my mother always made with so much love. We accompanied the dinner with baguettes and the soft drink. To later toast with I got excited. We talked about remember bearings to moment was very happy. But at the same time I big melancholy because waiting for about those good times will never be able to the return. My mother passed away 6 years ago and we about no Christmas. Christmas has been the shame for the family because it was she would give us the joy to celebrate, lie together, and the cause and it makes me very sad. I worry the family makes the effort to continue because all true it is true we all have children. There is always is feeling of empathy because she is not the ultra. We know that she is still alive. I enjoy hers. The reality is that I will never be the same again. Both the family my cousin because now the family continues to celebrate Christmas because not we have children and they are the ones good gift is just to share with. They and tradition that altruism is the true is not Mexico. Is we have adopted science is been a long time and is also named holiday that my darling Abrils enjoys very much because she looked forward to Santa Claus arrived and bringing here the small present with under 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 me makes her very happy. I can conclude by season the Christmas in not putting any special meal or feeling once white gifts. Christmas is the time to share with yours with those who are alive and those who are not. It is to thank God for what they have to about us for what we should not hate. Christmas is smiling in the reflection and more than anything. Christmas in the hungry for family and declared the speed and circumstance. We cannot on each other. Christmas is telling is knows we must Christmas is love bearing human beings. Feliz Navidad.